Motorola is back with what could be the best looking phone of the year. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro is a mid-range smartphone with a design that makes it look and feel premium. While this formula has been used by many brands in the last couple of years, only some have managed to nail it. The Edge 50 Pro adds to it by offering some world-first features, but are they good? We've been using the Edge 50 Pro for a couple of weeks now to find out if there's more to the phone than just design and some validations. Let's start with the price. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro is available in two variants in India. There's the 8GB and 256GB variant, which is priced at 31,999 rupees, and there's the 12GB 256GB storage option, which is what we're testing, priced at 35,999 rupees. You can purchase the phone at a lower cost by availing certain offers, but these prices are what the phone's being sold for without any offers. The phone's available in three color options. The Black Beauty and Luxe Lavender variants have a soft vegan leather finish rear panel, whereas the Moonlight Pearl is a special variant with an acetate finish that's apparently handcrafted in Italy by Mazzucchelli. We're using the Luxe Lavender variant and we think it looks great in this color. All of these colors were curated with the help of Pantone. Motorola's use zero plastic in the packaging and everything is printed using soy ink. Secondly, Motorola sprays perfume on each box to make it smell good, and it does smell good for quite a long time actually. Inside the box, you get a case, some paperwork, a SIM ejector tool, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and a 125-watt turbocharger. For the 8GB RAM variant, comes with a 68-watt charger. The phone looks and feels great the moment you first take it out of the box. It's got a stunning design and the color makes things even better. The rear leather finish panel, curved front and back, rounded corners, and the aluminum frame make this phone a delight to hold as well. However, the rear leather panel doesn't sit flush with the frame, and you can feel the edges when you're holding the phone. On the front, you get a curved display with symmetrical bezels. The volume and power buttons are on the left edge and are clicky. You'll also find a microphone on the left edge and one at the top. It's also been given an IP68 rating for the Edge 50 Pro. It's equipped with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which is paired with up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage. It's packed with a 4,500 mAh battery, which is smaller than what most other phones offer in this price segment. However, you do get up to 125-watt fast charging support, along with 50-watt wireless charging. The Edge 50 Pro comes with Android 14-based Hello UI, which is different to the My UX that we were used to. There's no bloatware, the interface is mostly stock to some Motorola design elements, and you get some additional features such as Moto Unplugged, Ready For, Gestures, Smart Connect, custom fonts, colors, icons, and family space. There's also an AI theming feature called Style Sync that uses AI to create custom wallpapers from photos taken using the camera or gallery. The AI feature works well but isn't as good as similar features found on more expensive phones. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 is a fairly decent chipset and has enough oomph to run all kinds of tasks smoothly in most conditions. Motorola has included a 6.7-inch POLED curved display on the Edge 50 Pro with 1.5K resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. The panel also offers up to 2000 nits peak brightness, HDR10 Plus support, 10-bit color, and DCI P3 color gamut. And it's claimed to be the world's first Pantone validated true color display. The phone is equipped with a triple rear camera setup that includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor with f1.4 aperture and OIS support, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide unit with 120-degree field of view in the macro mode, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor with OIS and 3-time optical zoom. There's also a time-of-flight sensor, an LED flash, and autofocus on the square rear camera model. For selfies, the phone offers a 50-megapixel sensor with autofocus. There's also a tilt shift, a pro mode, a night mode, dual capture, long exposure, a 50-megapixel mode, and more. Overall, the camera system on the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is good and usable. The Edge 50 Pro is a great phone that's competitively priced. However, in some areas, you may be better off purchasing other phones. For example, if you want better performance, you could opt for the Oppo Reno 11 Pro. However, it lacks an IP rating and wireless charging and offers similar camera performance. Then there's the Vivo V30, which offers slightly better camera performance and the same chipset. However, it lacks wireless charging and a few other features. Motorola Edge 50 Pro offers a lot more features than some of its competitors. We honestly think that this is probably one of the best smartphones in this price segment. The cameras aren't amazing, but they're not bad, and you get usable sensors. The display is excellent. You get a standout design, wireless charging, an IP68 rating, and a lot more. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro is on the edge of greatness and is definitely one of the best mid-range phones you can buy today.